How to create a restaurant food ordering system with WooCommerce. Hi everyone, I'm Emily from iThemeco and welcome to our channel. If you own a restaurant or coffee shop and want to receive more online orders, creating a restaurant food ordering system is essential. In this video, I'll show you a more cost-effective solution using WooCommerce and the WooCommerce product table plugin to create a restaurant food ordering system. WooCommerce product table plugin is a great tool for making restaurant menus with ordering options like multi-add to cart button, filtering, searching, mini cart, and etc. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the WooCommerce product table plugin on your website. First of all, you should download and install the WooCommerce product table plugin. Then activate it on your website. The download URL is mentioned in the description. Now you're ready to customize your restaurant ordering system by adding different columns to the table. Let's see how in the next step. Step 2. Add columns to design your restaurant ordering system for. To add columns in this restaurant ordering plugin, first you need to go to the Columns tab and choose Laptop from the list of devices to see the columns page. A big button in the middle of the page allows you to add a new column to your table. As soon as you create a new column, you can see a column box with two separate sections, including heading to customize the title of product table columns, and cell content to add elements to be displayed in the product table columns. To customize each section, you need to press the Add Element option, then choose one of the elements from the list displayed in the left panel. After adding one element, the element setting panel appears and you can customize the content and appearance of the selected element in the cell by editing the items in the General and Style tabs respectively. The most popular elements that you can add to creating a restaurant ordering system are checkbox to allow customers to select items to add to their carts, title to show the product title to the customers. Now click on Add Row and in the new row, add content as a new element. This element lets customers review the food description. Category to show the food categories to the customers. Quantity to let customers increase or decrease the quantity of items directly from the table. Price to enable customers to review and compare the prices of different items in the restaurant ordering system. Add to cart button to make the process of ordering easier for customers and let them add items to their carts with one click. Step 3. Show the restaurant ordering system to your customers. The final step is to show the restaurant ordering system to your customers. Write a name for your table, for example, restaurant in this example, and then save it. Click on the shortcut icon to copy it. Now paste the shortcut on the new page. Now let's open this page and check the result. Extra features of WooCommerce product table plugin. This plugin comes with a lot of features that help you convert a simple restaurant ordering system to a professional one. Let's get familiar with some features. Add a quick view button to ordering form. The quick view button allows your customers to see more details about the food on the table. Our plugin is compatible with other plugins like Quick View. To add this feature to your ordering system, add the shortcut element to one column, then insert the Quick View shortcut in the text box available in the General tab. Now let's check the result. Add mini cart to the restaurant ordering form. To show a customized mini cart to your customers, you need to go to the Navigation tab and then add the mini cart element to the header, footer, or sidebar section. For example, we add mini cart to the sidebar and choose float side for that. So the result is what we expected. Make a custom query for the restaurant food ordering system. Let's create 3 different tables for starters, pizza, and dessert to customers to make the ordering process easier for them. To make this happen, you need to duplicate the current table and then edit each one. Navigate to the Query tab in our plugin and then choose one of the product categories in the Include Taxonomies field. We choose Starter, pizza, and dessert for each one. Then go to the all tables and copy and paste the shortcuts one by one to a new WordPress page and publish the page. Let's check the result. Yes, as you can see, all the different tables allows customers to order step by step. By following the easy to understand instructions, you can create a custom online food ordering system with WooCommerce using our WooCommerce product table plugin, all without any hassle. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and recommend it to others who could benefit from this powerful tool. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials from Item & Co. See you in the next one.